Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's class, let's see the conversion of improper fractions into mixed fractions and mixed fractions into improper fractions. Let's consider few of the questions here. These are improper fractions. Now let's convert all these into mixed fractions. Consider the first question, 18 by 5. So whenever we are doing the conversion, we have to perform the actual division. 18 divided by 5. When you divide 18 by 5, you get this as 3 5s are 15, remainder as 3. You will get the quotient as 3 and the remainder as 3. When we are writing this as the mixed fraction, first we need to write the quotient, that is 3. 3 5s are present in 18. 3 is the remainder. So we will write the remaining as 3 by 5. 3 by 5. This is what the answer you get for 18 by 5. So when you are considering 25 by 6, 25 by 6, the same way you need to perform the actual division. When you are dividing 25 by 6, you can say that 6 fours are 24. The remainder is 1. 1 is the remainder. That means there are 4 times 6 is present in 25. So you must write the quotient first, 4. Now how much is left out? The remainder is 1. So 1 is left out here and that will be remaining and 1 by 6 part will be remaining. This is how we can convert the improper fractions to mixed fraction. Now look at the next one, the last question, that is 7 by 4. When you divide 7 by 4, we can say that 4 ones are 4, the remainder is 3. Only 1 4 is present in 7. So we'll write this as 1. The quotient will be written first. Then how much part is left out? 3 part out of 4 is left out. So we'll write this as 3 by 4 because this is the remainder. And this is how you need to convert the improper fractions into mixed fractions. Write off the quotient first. Then how much is the remainder comes, that will be written on the divisor. The divisor means as the denominator. This is how the conversion can be done. Now you solve these questions and convert this into mixed fractions. Now let's convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Let's see how to do it. 2 4 by 9. Whenever we get a mixed fraction, we need to multiply the integral part with the denominator. So what's the integral part here? That is 2. 2 into 9. 2 into 9 and then you need to add the numerator. So divided by 9. This is how the conversion can be done. So 2 nines are 18 plus 4 divided by 9 and that is equal to 22 by 9. This is how we can convert 2 4 by 9 to an improper fraction and that is equal to 22 by 9. Look at the next question, 7 5 by 13. Here also the same way as I have told you, you need to multiply the integral part with the denominator and then you have to add the numerator. So we can write this as 7 into 13 plus 5 divided by 13. So 7 into 13 is 91 plus 5 by 13 and that's equal to 96 by 13. This is how the conversion happens. So you have to remember, you need to multiply the integral part with the denominator and then you need to add the numerator and simplify, you will get the improper fraction. Look at the next question, 3 1 by 4. When you convert this 3 1 by 4 into the mixed fraction, 3 into 4, multiply the integral part, the integral part with the denominator, that will be 3 into 4 plus the numerator 1 divided by 4. So 3 4s are 12 plus 1 by 4, that is 13 by 4. This is what the answer you get for 3 1 by 4. Now you convert these into improper fractions and let me know the answer. When we discuss about fractions, we need to remember two important points. One is that the value of the fraction remains the same if both the numerator as well as the denominator is multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. Consider an example, 5 by 8. When you are multiplying or dividing this number, that is both the numerator as well as the denominator with the same non-zero number, the fraction remains the same. So if you are writing this as 5 into 2 by 8 into 2, you get this as 10 by 16, and the fraction 10 by 16 is same as 5 by 8. Consider another question, 4 by 16. If you divide this fraction 4 by 16 by 2, that is divide both the numerator as well as the denominator by 2, you get this as 2 by 8. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 16 by 2 is 8. So you get this answer as 2 by 8, and this 2 by 8 is same as 4 by 16. The value of the fraction never changes. To verify that, you can divide it and find the decimal part of this fraction. You'll come to know that both the fractions whatever we are getting are same in the first case as well as in the second case. So that was one of the important points. So whenever we are multiplying or dividing any fraction by a non-zero number, the fraction remains the same. Now the second point is that a fraction must always be expressed in the lowest form. Let's consider some examples for that. Consider 4 by 8. 4 by 8. We can write this in the lowest form by dividing this fraction both the numerator as well as the denominator by 4. When you divide this by 4, you get the numerator as 4 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 4. So 4 by 4 is 1 and 8 by 4 is 2. So when you are simplifying this into the lowest form, you get this as 1 by 2. Let's cross verify whether these two are same or not. 4 divided by 8. When you divide 4 by 8, what we get? Since 4 is smaller, put a decimal and give a 0 here. Now this becomes 40, and we can say that 8 5s are 40. So this is what the value you get in first case, that is 0.5. Now when you divide 1 by 2, what will you get? The same way, since 1 is smaller than 2, put a decimal here, give a 0 here, this becomes 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5 2s are 10. The remainder is 0. Here also you are getting the same answer, that is 0.5. Look at that. In both the cases, you are getting the same value. That means this 4 by 8 is same as 1 by 2. And always remember, we need to express any fraction given into its lowest form. Now let's consider this question 8 by 18, and we need to convert it into the lowest form. How can we convert? For that, first we need to find the HCF, that is highest common factor of both the numerator as well as the denominator. So with 2, if you divide, you get this as 4 and 9. Now further simplification is not possible because there is only 1, 2 was common. So we are getting the HCF as 2 here. HCF is 2. We have to divide both the numerator as well as the denominator with the HCF. We will get the lowest form of the given fraction. So let's write here HCF is 2. Now 8 by 18 is equal to 8 divided by 2 by 18 divided by 2. That's equal to 4 by 9. And this is the lowest form of the given fraction. Consider this question 18 by 42. First, we have to find the HCF of those two terms, that is 18 and 42. That is the numerator as well as the denominator. Let's divide it by 2. 2 9s are 18 and this is 21. Now again, we can divide this by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. Further division is not possible because 3 and 7 are co-prime numbers. So there is nothing common between 3 as well as 7. So our HCF will be 2 into 3, and that is equal to 6. The next step we have to do is divide both the numerator as well as the denominator by the HCF. So 18 divided by 6 as well as 42 divided by 6. That is equal to 18 by 6 is 3 and 42 by 6 is 7. This is the simplified form of the given fraction, or this is in the lowest form. Look at the next question, 27 by 36. So first we have to find the HCF, 27 and 36. So with 3 if we cancel, 3 9s are 27 and here this is 12. 12 3s are 36. Again by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. That's all the division process. Since there is nothing common between 3 and 4, our HCF will be 3 into 3, 9. Now, the fraction remains 27 by 36 is equal to 27 divided by 9 by 36 divided by 9, and that is equal to 3 by 4. 27 by 9 is 3, 36 by 9 is 4. This is the simplest form or the lowest form of 27 by 36. Now, you find the simplest form of the given fractions, that is 35 by 75 and 18 by 45, and let me know the answer. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a different topic. Thank you.